Deodorizing. This is the big one. Rocco rides in the truck with me all the time, almost every day. All right. Ride in the truck with me almost every day. Okay. So, not bagging on you, but sometimes you don't smell the best. So, after I vigorously clean the truck and vacuum all the Rocco hair out, to do air fresheners, these things work really, really well. So I'll usually spread just baking soda all over the interior and then vacuum it up, and that pulls a lot of the smell out. And then I actually do air fresheners to where I will put a little bit of baking soda in a coffee filter, and then same deal, a couple drops of whatever flavor essential oil you want. You know, stir it around, or you can dump a little bit in the bag and shake it around in the bag. A little bit in a coffee filter, I ball it up like that, and I go and set it underneath a seat or somewhere where it won't tip over and spill everywhere. If it does, not a big deal, just vacuum it up. But this actually helps deodorize, keep it smelling good. It absorbs some of the nasty smell inside your car, so you can probably ball it up and put it in a floorboard up front somewhere, and then you can, the scent can make its way through the ventilation system and smell good.